Gansham, your Spanish teacher. You're welcome to my super fast Spanish course for quick learner. Today we are going to start lesson 1. So let's start. Let's start the Spanish. How you will say let's start the Spanish? Speak after me. Empezamos el español. Empezamos el español. Empecemos el español. Now, next word, welcome. How will you say welcome in Spanish? Think. Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos. Speak. Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos. So, welcome. Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos. Now, next word, hello. Think. How you will say hello in Spanish? Hola. Say hola. Hola. In Spanish, H is always silent. So, it will be sound hola. Hola. Now, next word. Hello will be hola. Okay. How will you say what is your name? What is your name? You will say ¿Cómo te llamas? Repeat. ¿Cómo te llamas? Repeat. ¿Cómo te llamas? So, what is your name? We will say in Spanish, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Now, next word. My name is Ghansham. How will you say in Spanish? You will say, Me llamo Ghansham. Me llamo Ghansham. Or you will say, Yo soy Ghansham. Yo soy means I am. I am. Yo soy Ghansham. So, my name is Ghansham. We pronounce in Spanish, me llamo Ghansham, me llamo Ghansham, or yo soy Ghansham, or yo soy Ghansham. Now move for the next word. How will you say, where are you from in Spanish? How will you say, where are you from in Spanish? You will say, ¿de dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Repeat. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? So, where are you from? In Spanish, you will say, ¿de dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Now, next word. I am from India. How will you say in Spanish? Think. You will say, yo soy de India. Yo soy de India. Yo soy de India. Yo soy means I am. De means from. India means India. Yo soy de India. So, I am from India. You will say, yo soy de India. Yo soy de India. Now, next word. How will you say, how are you in Spanish? How will you say, how are you in Spanish? Think. You will say, ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? So, how are you? Become ¿Cómo está? In Spanish. ¿Cómo está? Now, next word. I am good or I am bad. How will you say I am good or how will you say I am bad? You will say, if you are saying I am good, you will say estoy bien, estoy bien, estoy bien. Or if you say I am bad, you will say estoy mal, estoy mal, estoy mal. So, I am good or I am bad. We say estoy bien or Estoy mal. Mal means bad. Bien means good. So now go for next word. See you later. How will you say in Spanish see you later? Think now. Hasta luego. Because H is silent in Spanish, so you will sound as hasta luego. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. So, see you later will be hasta luego. Speak loudly, hasta luego. Hasta luego. Now, next word is see you soon. How will you say see you soon? You will say hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. Speak hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. So, see you soon will be hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. Next word is see you tomorrow. How will you say see you tomorrow in Spanish? You will say hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. So, see you tomorrow will be hasta mañana. Okay. Now, next word. See you on Monday. How will you say in Spanish see you on Monday? Think. You will say hasta lunes. Hasta lunes. See you on Monday means hasta lunes. Hasta lunes. Now, next word. Next word is nice to meet you. How to say nice to meet you in Spanish? You will say mucho gusto. Say mucho gusto. Loud. Mucho gusto. Speak loudly. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. So, nice to meet you will be mucho gusto in Spanish. Mucho gusto in Spanish. Next word is okay. How will you say okay in Spanish? You will say vale, 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 vale. So okay means vale, vale. Now next word is how is it going? How is it going? How will you say how is it going in Spanish? You will say ¿qué tal? Say ¿qué tal? Speak ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? So how is it going is ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Now next word is what's happening or what's up. How will you say in Spanish what's happening or what's up? You will say ¿qué pasa? Say ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? So what's happening or what's up will be ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? What happened? How will you say what happened in Spanish? You will say ¿qué hubo? ¿Qué hubo? Speak ¿qué hubo? ¿Qué hubo? So what happened means ¿qué hubo? ¿Qué hubo? Now next word is nothing. How will you say nothing in Spanish? You will say nada, nada, nada. Nothing means nada, nada. How will you say yes in Spanish? You will say sí, sí, sí. So yes means sí, sí. Now next word is no. How will you say no? No. No means no in Spanish. So no is no in Spanish. Now, how will you say I'm sorry? I'm sorry. You will say lo siento. You will say lo siento. Speak lo siento. Lo siento. So, I'm sorry means lo siento. Lo siento. I love you. How will you say in Spanish? Te amo. Te amo. Te amo. So I love you means te amo. Te amo. I need help. How will you say I need help in Spanish? You will say necesito ayuda. Necesito ayuda. Necesito means I need. Ayuda means help. So necesito ayuda means I need help. I need help. Necesito ayuda. Now next word is bye. How will you say bye in Spanish? You will say adios. Say adios. 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 Now bye. Adios. Adios. So next word is thank you. How will you say thank you in Spanish? You will say gracias. 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 So the thank you in Spanish is gracias. Gracias. So this was the first lesson of Spanish. In the second lesson, we will learn new sentences and new phrases. Thank you for learning Spanish by the Super Fast Spanish course for quick learners. Thank you.